Hey guys, my name is David Nutting. I have two quick questions for you. Number one, if you are over the age of 50, are you concerned with bone density? Number two, if you are over the age of 50, did you realize that half the population is showing a low bone density score, and that is men included? Well, here's the good news. Your bones are active, pliable living structures, and they can be remodeled when placed under load, and that is what I'm here to help. The problem is, if left unchecked, brittle bones can actually cause a lot of problems. We know about osteopenia, osteoporosis, but think of fractures in the hip, the spine, the wrist. It's actually been linked with brittle bones to certain types of cancers, diabetes, as well as heart disease. If you are interested in something that can help you, I am offering the opportunity to get some help. And I've been in the training industry for over 25 years. All you have to do is just private message me, just write next steps, just something down below, and I will get it. And then we can be on a quick phone call and I'll give you 3 actionable steps. Click below. Thanks.